Hello everyone, welcome to the quick start guide of M5Burner. This burning tool, officially produced by M5 Stack, integrates official firmware and a vast number of cases. It is a one-stop solution for you to master M5 devices. Today, we will guide you to fully understand its usage methods. Log in to the M5 Stack official website. Click on M5Burner in the navigation bar. Download the M5Burner version corresponding to your computer's operating system. After the download is complete, run the software. Using M5Burner requires first registering for an M5 Stack community account. If you do not have an account, you can click Register to create one. Fill in a username and password, bind a valid email address to start using. Before burning the firmware, it is necessary to understand what functions M5Burner has. The menu bar at the top is used for login and viewing serial port logs. Click on the corresponding device model in the device classification on the left, and the burnable firmware for the corresponding device will be displayed in the firmware list. At the bottom of the device classification column, M5Burner offers customization features where users can upload and share their projects. It also supports exporting firmware from devices and sharing projects online. The firmware in M5Burner is divided into two categories: the firmware officially released by M5 Stack and the firmware shared by users themselves. The official firmware released by M5 Stack is named M5 Stack. You can select specific types of firmware through the search bar above or by clicking only Official. Next, I will demonstrate how to burn firmware using the Core 3 as an example. Download the corresponding firmware. Connect the computer and the Core 3 using a USB Type-C cable. Press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds to enter download mode. Note, the method to enter download mode varies for different host models. Please consult the corresponding official documentation. Click Burn to start burning. Follow the steps indicated in the pop-up window. Fill in the relevant configuration information to complete the burning process. The firmware has now been successfully burned. If you need to delete the firmware's cache on the computer, click Remove. If you need to modify the configuration information in the Core 3 and burn it again, use Configure. Next, I will demonstrate burning using firmware shared by a user. Before using the firmware shared by the user, it is necessary to read the corresponding precautions. Next, I will introduce the custom functions of M5Burner. Click Export Firmware. Put the device in download mode. Fill in the export address, and the firmware in the device can be exported. Firmware exported successfully. Click Publish to share the project to the community. Fill in the corresponding description information. Add the project bin file. After the project is successfully uploaded, refresh the software and the project will appear in the firmware list of the corresponding host. Note, the user starts burning your bin file from the initial address 0x00. The project you share can also be shared online with other users via share code. When you have the share code shared by other users, you can burn it online in ShareBurn. Click the menu button to open the serial monitor. Connect the device to the computer via USB Type-C and click Connect to enter the serial port debugging. The burner MVS function can read and modify fields and data in the MVS partition of ESP32 devices, mainly used for batch pre-configuration and updating of device parameters. The above is all the functional introduction of M5Burner. Go and try it yourself.